To keep me from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to lock him in this chocolatey safe. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey. Don't go cuckoo. Don't go cuckoo. Phew. Wait a minute. Choc-o-lottie. It's Cocoa Puffs. Don't go cuckoo. Phew. Cocoa Puffs. They're chocolatey. I give up. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
There's no escaping chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, part of your good breakfast.
If outgrown kids' clothes are taking over your space, turn them into cash with Vinted. Snap a
Report now in session.
You've got to keep Cocoa Puffs away from me.
But why?
Because everything chocolatey, and they make me go cuckoo.
Well, they're munchy, crunchy,
Oh, Cocoa Puffs.
chocolate in the corn.
See? I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs has the ultimate chocolatey taste that turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, part of a good breakfast.
I find you guilty of being the pieces.
Oh boy, it's honey hopping fun with Winnie the Pooh and friends. Help Winnie the Pooh save his honey from the busy buzzy bee by jumping your honey pot as it buzzes around his tree. Watch out! Woohoo! Winnie the Pooh hopping honey pots game.
from character.
What goes up must come down. And your child can be there to catch him. New Toss and Tickle Me Elmo. Give him a tickle, he talks,
That tickle.
shakes, and he's up to more fun than ever.
Toss, Elmo. Whee! More. Whee!
And when he comes back down, tickle him again.
Oh, wow. Bounce, Elmo. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
And he knows what's up when it comes to fun. New Toss and Tickle Me Elmo from the Tycho Sesame Street family.
All aboard! Mickey's Magic Choo Choo. Let's go! This crazy train never runs out of track.
Huh?
Because it puts them down in front and picks them up in the back. That was fun. Or go in a circle if you choose, with space for his friends in the caboose. Tickets, please. Once this train's moving, it doesn't take long. Chugga, 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 choo choo. Until you hear Mickey singing his song. Chugga, 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 Mickey Mouse. Mickey's Magic Choo Choo comes with all this. Other figures sold separately, batteries not included. PBS Kids has dinosaurs.
Hi.
Dinosaurs. What's new with you? And more dinosaurs.
Why does your beak look so different from ours? I'm more interested in finding out about different dinosaurs than ever.
It's a dinosaur train marathon.
We get to ride the dinosaur train. I too. I three.
I 4. That's 4 shows in a row. Don't miss the Dinosaur Train Marathon on PBS Kids. Labor Day, September 7th.
At last, new from Chocolate Thomas is now with friends. As you can see, the packaging design has really changed. There are 3 different flavors waiting for you in the assortment: Thomas, James, and Percy. Each model has its own flavor. So, James, nighttime chocolate flavor. Careful, if you eat too much, your ass will stick together. The milky and mysterious Thomas. Oh, careful, if you eat too much, you'll get diarrhea. The sweet and mystical Percy. Be careful, if you eat too much chocolate, you'll get poisoned. Our Thomas and Friends Chocolate Factory makes the awesome trick we get from cacao beans. Incredibly delicious chocolate, which will not leave your children indifferent, is poured into special molds to get the perfect train shape. If you don't want your child to cry and throw tantrums, buy a box of candy today for only $16.99. If you are homeless, sleeping on the streets, or not making good money, we have an offer for you too. 1 candy for only $1.
Do you love the Wiggles? And the Wiggles Music and Friends? Then get ready for the Wiggles musical toys. Now playing Jeff, Murray, Anthony, and Greg.
Hi, my name is Greg. Hi, my name is Anthony.
You can sing and wiggle with wiggly musical instruments. The Wiggles friends love to sing with you too. So if you love the Wiggles, Wiggles toys are something to sing and wiggle about. Now at your favorite toy store from Spin Master.
Now your kids can have a special friend to share their fun times.
Hello again to all my friends.
It's Talking Barney from Play School. Squeeze his hand or press his tummy, and Barney really talks.
Try to walk like a duck.
And with hundreds of delightful phrases, Talking Barney is someone special your child will never forget. Talking Barney, he's a child's best friend.
Remember, I love you.
We're about to level up.
If you're tired of those automobiles that isolate, insulate, and virtually remove you from the outside world, may we recommend the 1994 Four-Wheeler of the Year, Land Rover's Defender. It can make life a bit more exciting.
Butterflies everywhere, watch them go! Pointers shrunk up to the sky. Boy, they're tickly little guys!
It's Elephant, the butterfly blowing elephant game. Grab your nets and catch as many as you can. Catch the most and you win.
Everywhere you look, there's butterflies. Catch them with your nets when you see them floating by. And I'll slip them in again and blow them out. I'm Elephant the Elephant.
Search a little less humiliating. That's not ivory.
Peanuts!
Peanuts? You kidding me? This guy's selling peanuts? I used to eat peanuts. I also used to wear diapers. Pistachios where it's at, right? I mean, who wants to eat a food that starts with P and ends with nuts?
Peanuts!
Pistachios! The pistachio is a healthy snack.
Excuse me.
And I appreciate that in an age of unrealistic body expectations.
Excuse me.
On TV, magazine covers, and elevator weight sensors. Cowards!
Excuse me, I'm just gonna go to my car.
Oh, really? What kind of car you drive? There you go, Richard. Oh! Is that too hard for you?
No. It's too hard for you?
Woo! We're playing catch now. Oh, shit. The Squirrel Sisters came over last night. Man, they got crazy. Those girls, they know how to party. And they'll do anything for pistachios. And I mean anything. Stuff I don't ever want to think about again, but I'm an elephant.
Back in a mo. Introducing a toilet paper that's unlike any you've ever felt before. New Charmin Ultra. While your favorite brand might be smooth, new Charmin Ultra has a unique micro-pocketed texture that stays strong even when wet, giving you a comfortable, clean feeling every time. Where have you been? Just a bit of business. Nothing beats the comfortable, clean feeling of new Charmin Ultra.
It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares. It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares.
This
Sprout you love to watch is now everywhere you love to go. Meet Sprout Now, the new way to enjoy Sprout episodes for free with your cable subscription, anytime, anywhere. To get started, all you need is a computer or mobile device and a cable subscription. Simply go to sproutonline.com or the Sprout Now app and select your TV provider. Then sign in with your TV provider username and password. If you don't have a login, you may need to create one or contact your TV provider and request one. With Sprout Now by your side, you can now take Sprout with you on the go.